Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to adjust color. Let's begin. Let's start. In the color correction of the Effects and Presets panel, various color effects are available. Here we will focus on the ones that are easy to use and often used. First, import the file you want to adjust the color into the project panel. Then, create a new composition from the imported file. Next, we will create an adjustment layer. Now let's apply an effect to this adjustment layer and proceed to make color correction. First of all, try adjusting color tone to a bright color using the curves, a representative tool for color correction. Select Adjustment Layer in the Timeline panel. Then, from the Effects tab in the menu bar, select Color Correction and then select Curves. When curves are added to the Effects Control panel, set the channel to RGB. Adjust the curves to an S shape like this. I adjusted the contrast and the brightness for the overall image like this. In addition to RGB, we can change channel to red, green, blue, or alpha. When you change the channel into red, green, or blue, you can adjust, such as highlighting brightness, only the selected color. Level, individual control, effects can also be adjusted in the same way as tone curves. From the Effects tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, select Levels, Individual Control. In curves, we can adjust the color tone by moving the curve of the graph, but in this Level, Individual Control effect, we can adjust the color tone by moving the sliders or enter numbers directly to histogram, RGB, red, green, and blue. From the Effects tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, select Vibrance, and then dark areas can be brightened with natural saturation. We can adjust the overall brightness by changing the values of vibrance and saturation properties from the Effects Control panel. Next, let's use the Tritone and CC toner effects to create a sepia style. From the Effects tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, Tritone. You can change the color of Tritone by choosing the color of Midtone, Highlight, and Shadow property in the Effects Controls panel. Similarly, from the Effects tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, CC Toner. Select Tritone from the Tones menu under CC Toner in the Effect Controls panel. You can also change the color by changing the color of highlight midtone, and shadow. Also, by selecting Pentone from the Tones menu, brights and dark tones will be added and you can change the color details. Next, let's make it grayscale by Effects. From the Effects tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, Black and White, and you can apply grayscale effects. With Grayscale Tone, you can add brightness and darkness to the color like this. Try changing the value of yellows to adjust the brightness of the yellow color. Then, the yellow part becomes white, like this. Then try to change the grayscale in a different way. From the Effect tab, select Color Correction, Tint. If you apply the tint effect, by default, the map Black 2 is black and the map White 2 is white, so it will be grayscale automatically. For example, you can change the black part to the specified color by changing the map Black 2 to a different color. Similarly, you can change the white part to the specified color by changing the map White 2 to a different color. You can keep only the specified colors by using the Leave Color effect. On the other hand, you can change only the specified color by using the Change to Color effect. From the Effect tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, Leave Color. Click the pointer of Color to Leave on the Effect Control panel, and then click the color you want to keep on the Composition panel. If the Amount to Decolor property is set to 100%, the parts other than the specified color will be changed to grayscale tone. Besides, Tolerance property allows us to adjust the harmony between the specified color and the other colors. If you change the tolerance value, you can keep colors that are close to the specified color. Next, we will learn about Change to Color effect. From the Effect tab on the menu bar, select Color Correction, Change to Color. Click the pointer of From Property on the Effect Control panel and then click the part you want to change the color of on the Composition panel. Next, you can click To Property and choose the color you want to change into. This is the end of the lecture on how to adjust the color. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.